DJI Mini 3 Pro, first flight. Got that coming up next. Build a Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. Today was picture perfect, so we took the DJI Mini 3 Pro up for its first flight. Without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. We're going to take a look and see here how fast it acquires the satellites. We're going to go ahead and skip the tutorial. Okay, we already have 19 satellites. Valerie's going to go ahead and take a look, and we're going to take a look at the screen. That's not too bad. You know, it's not as bright as a smart controller, but again, I think it's doing pretty good. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get things started here with the Mini 3. Got the video recording on, and let's go ahead and take off. Takeoff was very smooth there. Again, this is a picture perfect day today. Couldn't ask for better weather. Okay, and let's take it up to about 100 feet. Shooting in 4K 30 here. Okay, we're a little over 100 feet. Let's go ahead and take it out for the first spin. It is such a pleasure to fly DJI drones. Looking real good here. Just passed up 1,000 feet. No issues with signal strength. Passed up 1,200, looking good. 1,400, still looking good. Just hit 1,500. 1,700. Very impressed. Love the colors on it. The colors look fantastic. Okay, we are getting a weak signal warning. We're right at around 2,000 feet. So we're going to go ahead and bring it back in the other direction here. And I love having the grid lines up. Really does help with navigating when you're up in the air. Speeds around 23 miles an hour. And one thing I can tell you is when it took off and I could barely hear it. It's so quiet. It is such a quiet drone. Okay, it is almost overhead as we speak. And folks, I can barely hear it. It's just so quiet. I'm going to take it down to the highway. We should get out at around 2,000 feet or so. And let's see how that signal does down going this way. There's the entrance to our community. Everything's still looking real good here. Just passed up 1,200 feet, looking sharp. Holding steady around 22, 23 miles an hour. Coming up on the highway, we're just getting ready to hit 2,000 feet. Did that, no problems there. Still got a good signal strength. Just hit 2,200 feet. Almost up at the highway. 2,400 and 20, we're just around 2,400, almost 2,500 feet. No signal issues in this direction. So let's go ahead. We're going to take it back the other direction, and let's take a look and see if we get that signal issue again heading the other direction. So you could not ask for a better day to fly. It is just absolutely perfect. And it's good to get out before 11 o'clock because it does get really hot after 11 o'clock. It's when the sun's positioned in the sky. It's just super hot. Just the course here just a little bit. And it's coming up on us here in a hurry. And again, just a few hundred feet out, and just it's going to be overhead here in a second, and I can barely hear it, folks. It's 100 feet up in the air. Okay, let's go ahead and let's see if we can get that signal strength issue again heading in this direction. So far, so good. Just past 1,000 feet. 1,200, still looking pretty good. Just hit 1,500, it's looking good. 1,600. Just the gimbal here a little bit. 1,800. Okay, 1,800. We got the signal strength issues. So apparently there's something in this down this end that's causing an issue with that. So we're going to go ahead and do a return to home, and let's see how that works for the first time. Okay, now that disappeared right around 1,500 feet. The weak signal warning. Okay, we're going to go ahead and adjust the pitch of the gimbal here. Let's take a look at things from a different perspective. One of the many ponds we have around here. And the old saying is true. There's a body of water of Florida. There's probably a gator in it, so we're fortunate. We've had a lot of rain recently, and as it was looking real dry, you can tell it's pretty green here, which is real nice. Again, can barely hear it. It's right overhead. I can barely hear it right now. Let's see how it does here on the landing. I don't think we're going to hit the pad here. Yeah, we're definitely not going to hit the pad, but all in all, a foot away. And we are safely down. All right, that concludes this first test. Question of the day. What did you think of the DJI Mini 3 Pro first flight? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.